Data detectives, are you ready to unlock hidden insights and reveal relationships within your data like never before? We're going to explore how to create a powerful link and brush effect in Tableau, allowing you to instantly connect selections in one view to highlight corresponding data in another, perfect for interactive exploration. We'll start with a blank Tableau workbook. First, let's set up our tables. Drag and drop a measure like sales and a dimension like region onto your sheet to create your first table. Now, create your second table by dragging and dropping sales and another dimension, like product category, onto the same sheet. Ensure they're distinct tables, not combined. Right now they are just completely separate tables that share no relationship. We want to make them talk to each other. Next, open your sheet in the top menu, click on Worksheet, then select Actions. A new window will appear where you can add and manage actions. Click the Add Action button and choose Filter from the drop-down menu. The Add Filter Action window will open. This is where we make the magic happen. Now, configure the filter action first. Select your desired dashboard. Set the running action on to select for the source sheet. Tell Tableau which sheet and view you want to trigger the linking. Finally, for target sheets, pick all sheets where you would like your selections to be reflected. Set the target filter to selected fields. This allows for specific fields from the first table to influence the second table. Click OK. Time to test it out. Select a region in the first view, and watch how the second view instantly highlights the relevant product categories and sales from the second. This link and brush functionality makes your Tableau workbooks interactive and engaging. You're now ready to explore your data, uncover hidden patterns, and tell compelling data stories. Bravo, data explorers.